SMA Islam Bunga Bangsa Samarinda present to prepare a Muslim generation that is faithful, knowledgeable, and actively engaged with the community in noble character. As a green school, we are committed to nurturing environmental behavior. We also implement the Pancasila Student Program or PELIMA to bring real-world challenge into student-led action projects. In Samarinda, Ramadan bazaars are a vibrant part of local tradition, but the city's flood risks happen unpredictably, caused by many factors, including inefficient planning for the event, like Ramadan Bazaar. This became the starting point of our Pelima project, stimulating students to explore what is the one thing we can do to protect local wisdom while reducing disaster risks.
In this project, the students work in group and they did the observation in the Ramadan Bazaar in Samarinda to find whether there are any problems in the Ramadan Bazaar because there is usually the flooding everywhere. And then after that, they try to brainstorm and analyze that problems and come up with the ideas in redesigning the layout of the Ramadan Bazaar to be more functional and eco-friendly. Through this project, we hope that it will empower them to be a problem solver and the community contributors.
Our group focused on traffic flow. We found that the walkways were too narrow and it caused congestion and made it hard to move for people, especially disabilities, families, and or elderly visitors. I learned that the poor layout not only affect comfort but also safety.
This was the first time I felt involved in a community issue. I really enjoyed the design process, like turning ideas into a real model. It was very exciting. I learned that being a student is also being part of a solution.
Well, I recently interviewed with a seller, and they said that floodings often happen in the area because there were no good or effective drainage. They also mentioned that many visitors usually littered around the area because there were not enough bins.
At the end of the project, each group explained their design to the teacher. They proposed wider allays, waste management points, green zones, and a better layout for sanitation. Through this process, students not only practice critical thinking and collaboration, but also develop empathy for their environment and community. They learn that even local wisdom can be improved through thoughtful and sustainable design.